Quizzes are an essential part of any LMS. Academy LMS features a robust quiz builder with diverse question types, including true, false, multiple choice, image-based questions, and more, allowing you to create a comprehensive question set. Let's create and add quiz questions to a course in Academy LMS. First, make sure you've activated the Academy LMS Pro version. This unlocks the most advanced quiz solutions available. Navigate to the Add-on section, find the Quizzes add-on, and turn it on. Next, click on the Settings icon. It will take you to the Quizzes menu. To create your quiz, hit the Add Quizzes button. Set a title and description for your quiz, then click Save and Continue. Here, click Add Question. You'll see various question types, including true, false, single choice, multiple choice, short answer, image answer, and fill in the blanks. Choose the question type that fits your needs. Add your question title. Assign points for the question. Select the correct answer. From the question settings, you can enable or disable whether an answer is required. Randomize the answers for the question. Choose to display points based on your preference. Click Add Question to save it to your quiz. Congratulations! You've successfully created your first question. You can always go back and edit it if needed. Now, let's add more questions. Choose from multiple question types to suit your needs. Set the question title. In the Add Options settings, you can easily input answer titles. Choose text only, images only, or a combination of text and images. And select the correct one. Configure the question settings as you need. Finally, click Add Question to add it to the question list. Repeat this process to create as many questions as you need. The newly created question will appear in your question list. Finally, click Save and Continue to proceed. Hide question numbers or hide quiz time if needed. Set a time limit in seconds, minutes, hours, or more. Choose the question order as random, ascending, or descending. Set a passing grade percentage. Select the feedback mode as default or retry, and if retry is chosen, define the attempt limit. Finally, click Finish to complete your quiz creation, and just like that, your quiz is ready. Now, let's integrate the quiz into a course. Navigate to the Courses section. You can add a quiz to a new course or edit an existing one. Scroll to the Curriculum section and open a curriculum. Click on the Add Content button and press Build from Existing. Choose the quiz option. Search for the quiz you've already created, then tick the box beside the quiz title. The quiz will now be added to your course seamlessly. If you want to create a new quiz, select Start from Scratch and click on the quiz option. Customize your quiz as needed, and it will be added to your course. Click back and update the course. Hit the preview link to see your course. On the course page, you'll find your added quiz. Click the I button to preview how your students will attempt the quiz. Start the quiz by clicking the Start Quiz button. Pick answers one by one and hit Next after each question. At the end of the quiz, you'll see whether you've passed or failed. Click on Details to review incorrect answers and see the correct ones. Move next. Let's see how we can export or import a quiz. Go to the Academy LMS Tools menu and select the Export/Import option. Choose Quiz and click the Export Quiz button. All your quizzes will be exported and saved as a CSV file. Select the quiz option under Import. Click on the Upload button and choose the CSV file from your device, and your quizzes will be imported successfully. And that's it. You've now mastered how to add, manage, export, and import quizzes in Academy LMS. Whether you're enhancing an existing course or creating a new one, quizzes are a fantastic way to engage your students. Thank you for watching.